first one! Oh, Daniel! Daniel got a jet ski.
We're just heading over to that island over there, see what we can find. Maybe find some crabs or whatnot.
We're just kids with a jet ski, it's not safe. Daniel just stretched me. How was that, Daniel?
Oh, it was pretty good.
Exhilarating?
It was. It's scary going up to the shore because you need a turn in time or else it's going to go bad. You're going to go into that tree over there.
Oh, I'm going to throw this at them. See this rock, guys? This will be hitting Daniel's head. Well, they will come close and it'll be happening. I feel sorry for them already. This is what we're doing on a Sunday.
We're exploring the safari.
We are in a deserted island and navigating our way through this terrain.
With bare feet.
We've got to get high ground to make sight of the jet ski.
Hopefully it hasn't floated away.
Yet. Daniel, I can't see the jet ski. Oh yes I can. Through the glimpse of the trees, I can see the jet ski.
Where are we going to go now? Okay.
Oh no.
As you see a wild Daniel about to pounce on his prey. It is mating season for the wild Daniel.
Trying to find food to survive.
He's trying to find food. He's prancing through the long tumbleweed.
You get really low, Blender.
He's about to pounce. He scares his prey. Oh, he's getting ready to attack.
This is actually a real comfy bed.
Wow.
You guys should lie down. It's amazing.
Okay.
Oh.
It's actually really nice.
It is. Help me out, Luke.
Oh, it worked.
Oh, who's been here?
Yeah, that's...
Wait,
What is that? It's a just dead pit or something.
We've found a nest.
There's something dead under there.
Yeah.
What else would have caused this?
it does smell a bit, eh? Like, kind of weird.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got it.
Daniel's got the way out.
Me.
Follow Daniel.
Nah.
What?
Just pan to the camera to me for no reason.
See, I'm making the path for you guys.
Daniel, I did that the whole way.
Yeah, but you did.
Oh, challenge accepted. I'm going this way. I've made my way.
We're out. Shoot it back. Oh, soft sand.
There's a crime scene. Daniel found his prey.
One dead. We're just gonna try and find some witnesses here.
We think it's a flamingo.
Don't touch it. What are you doing? That's disgusting.
Rank. It's next to some diseases.
Yeah, diseases. Look, there he is.
Oh.
His fin's all dried up.
Yeah.
Stop touching it.
I want to pick it up.
Something's had a nice meal. We're still on the hunt.
Found a dog bear. Blair found a water gun.
That's right. Next scene.
Oh, it's broken.
No!
Blair's gonna try find his way up this sand mountain.
Oh shit.
Incoming.
Alright, it's my turn.
What are we doing?
Alright, I'm gonna slide down the sand hill.
Should have brought a boogie board.
There's a big drop.
I'm gonna attempt to slide down the sand. It's actually kind of scary, eh? Do I do it?
The landslide. Whoa.
Daniel, chill. He's just playing on the edge of a fucking cliff here. Look, he's just waltzing across here like it's nothing. Look!
Daniel? No.
It's so
No.
scary. That's really scary.
Alright, Daniel is going to do a backflip off this tree onto the ground.
No, I'm going to do a manu into the ocean.
Yeah. Go on, Daniel. I think he just crashed into rocks. Fuck. I don't feel safe at all.
It doesn't feel safe, I'll tell you that. I don't know what the BTS stands for.
How do you feel, Daniel?
That was amazing. I can't wait for summer.
So subscribe so you can see us on the jet ski at summer.
Out fishing.
Yeah, we're
Just doing some tricks.
we're gonna catch a big fish.
Fireball.